Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is A Cultural Show in School. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about cardinal numbers. Before this, in English for grade 1, we have already learned cardinal numbers. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to write cardinal numbers in words from 1 to 10. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in the Quran, Surah Ikhlas, verse 1, say, He is Allah, who is one. Yes, my dear students, all of you must have remembered Surah Ikhlas, from where it starts, Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, Allah is one. So how many Allahs are there? Only one. And beta, Allah subhanahu one is enough for all of us, for the whole universe. Alhamdulillah. So we can understand how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is great in His knowledge, and how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how much Allah loves us, right? And Allah is one, only one. Okay, so we should worship only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should follow all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, my dear students, this one, what it is telling us? How many Allahs are there? Only one, right? So, such type of numbers, what we call them. What are cardinal numbers and what cardinal numbers tell us? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what are cardinal numbers? The numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. Means when we want to count something and we want to, and what they tell us how many things are there. When we count them, then we find out. Okay, so cardinal numbers tell us total number of anything, right? How do we do that? Let's practice. Look at these books. If I want to ask you how many books are there, how will you answer it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It means these are 7 books. Without counting, you cannot tell. And without counting all of them, you cannot tell. If you miss any, it means you have not counted all. So the way we count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is known as cardinal number. By counting, and by counting, we can find what is the total number of these books. So how many books are there altogether? They are 7. We can write in numbers, and likewise we can write in words. 7. How many books are there? 7 books, right? Okay. So your book tells us cardinal numbers. The numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers, and cardinal numbers tell us how many. Okay. For example, if you want to find out how many kites are there, how will you find it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You'll count it, then you will find out. So there are 5 kites altogether, right? So this is how these are known as cardinal numbers. You have learnt it a lot about cardinal numbers in maths, right? So why we are studying in English? Because we can write this number in words. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So these are cardinal numbers, right? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? All right. How we are going to do this activity? Teacher will ask students to count your fingers. count how many students are sitting on first desk or first two desks, and count how many color pencils do you have. So everything which is around, you can count it, and you can make the students to understand the concept of cardinal numbers. So all of you, all the students will participate. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now, the way you have counted, we know the way we have counted, likewise we can write it. 1, you can count and you can write O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, better we keep on counting, and when we count it, we can write it in words. This is the concept. Are you clear? Okay, let's practice it. You will write cardinal numbers from 1 to 10 in words in your notebooks. So you pause the video, complete this task in your notebooks, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You learnt it quickly. So it's time for your homework. You will draw, count, and write 1 to 10 stars. Or anything. If you can draw something better than star, you can do it, okay? This is how you are going to complete your homework, and I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you will write it here in words. Okay, so in this way, you will complete this worksheet. What we have done today, we learned that the numbers that we use for counting are called cardinal numbers. And we also learned to write cardinal numbers 1 to 10. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to write cardinal numbers in words from 1 to 10. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.